simplify the following. Here we have to use distribution to expand and remove the brackets. We'll use FOIL for the multiplication of two binomials. Recall FOIL for something like a plus b times c plus d. We multiply a times c, a times d, b times c, and then b times d. We will then simplify the resulting radicals. If we have an entire radical that can be expressed as a mixed radical, we have to remember always to do this. And then we will combine any like radicals. Recall that these are radicals that have the same radicand and the same index. To add these, we simply add or subtract the numbers outside of the radicals. For question A, 2 root 12 times root 2 plus 2 root 6, the 2 root 12 must be multiplied by both terms inside the brackets. This gives 2 times root 24 plus 4 times root 72. We then have to simplify the root 24 and the root 72. Root 24 can be written as root 4 times root 6, and root 72 can be written as root 36 times root 2. The square root of 4 is equal to 2, giving us 2 times 2 root 6, and the square root of 36 equals 6, giving us 4 times 6 root 2. This then gives a result of 4 root 6 plus 24 root 2 as our final simplified answer. For question B, here we have two binomials being multiplied, so we have to use FOIL. Multiplying root 3 times root 5 gives us root 15. Root 3 times negative root 2 gives negative root 6. 4 times root 5 gives 4 root 5. And 4 times negative root 2 gives negative 4 root 2. Nothing here can be simplified any further, so this is our final answer. For question C, once again, we use FOIL. Multiplying 3 root 2 times 4 root 6 gives 12 root 12. 3 root 2 times negative root 2 gives negative 3 root 4. Root 6 times 4 root 6 gives 4 times root 36. And root 6 times negative root 2 gives negative root 12. We can then simplify the root 12, root 4, and root 36. Root 12 can be written as 2 root 3. Root 4 is simply 2. And root 36 is 6. We then have 24 root 3 minus 6 plus 24 minus 2 root 3. We then can combine the like terms. In this case, we have like radicals. 24 root 3 minus 2 root 3. This gives us 22 root 3. And negative 6 plus 24. This gives plus 18. For question D, here we have a binomial being squared. Be aware that we still have to use FOIL. In this case, it corresponds to 3 root 2 minus 4 times 3 root 2 minus 4. Using FOIL, we get 3 root 2 times 3 root 2, giving 9 times root 4. 3 root 2 times negative 4 gives negative 12 root 2. And again, negative 4 times 3 root 2 gives another negative 12 root 2. And then negative 4 times negative 4 gives positive 16. Here we can simplify the root 4 to being 2, giving us 9 times 2, which is 18. We then combine the 18 plus 16, giving us 34. We then combine the like radicals. Negative 12 root 2 minus 12 root 2 gives us negative 24 root 2.